A very warm welcome and good morning to all the viewers. Welcome to a second class of BSM for the first year plus 2 first year students. Yesterday we started with the chapter business, or it was an introductory chapter, right? In yesterday's class I taught how many types of activities are there. Let me repeat again, just a quick recap of the previous class. Activities can be broadly classified into two. What are they? Economic activities and non-economic activities. Any activity that is carried out with an intention of earning money, or that involves the involvement of money, any transaction that involves the movement of money is called as economic activity. And any activity that is carried out for personal satisfaction without expecting any monetary gain or profit is called as non-economic activity. Non-economic activities do not involve any money transaction or any movement of money. They are purely carried out for personal joy, for personal satisfaction. So human activities are of two types, right? Because man carries activities for two reasons. One, for personal satisfaction, non-economic activity. The other one, to earn a living. Mane nije petta posya pain, that is to earn money. All those transactions that are carried out for earning money are called as economic activity. Before that, what do you mean by activity? Activity means any kind of work, provided productive work, useful work is called as activity. Then again, economic activities are again further divided into three: business, profession and employment. How many types of economic activities? We can categorize them into three cadres: business, profession and employment. In yesterday's class, I just gave an introduction as to what is business. So children, good morning to all of you once again. In today's class, we would be dealing with the features of business. So yesterday I just told you what is business. I explained the meaning of business. In today's class, let us start with the features of business. To understand the features of business, we need to know what is business. Once again, please look at the board, focus on the board. So what is business? Business is purely and what? Economic activity, right? So business is concerned with the production and distribution of goods and services. Not only goods, but I also told you what? Even services. Of goods and services, right? Business what? It is purely an economic activity. Concerned with the production and distribution of goods and services from the place of production, is concerned with the production and distribution of goods and services with an intention of earning profit. With an intention of earning profit. Earning what? Profit. So children, let me repeat again. What is business? Any activity that is concerned with production and selling of goods and services can be called business. Or rather, I repeat again, any activity, human activity that is concerned with production and procurement or acquisition of wealth can be called business. In yesterday's class, I told you what is wealth. Okay, return on investment. ଆମେ capital ଟଙ୍କା ଲଗେଇଲୁ business ରେ capital invest କରିଲୁ ଟଙ୍କା ଲଗେଇଲୁ ମାନେ capital invest କରିଲୁ ଆମେ जो ଟଙ୍କା ଲଗଉଛୁ ତା ବଦଳରେ ଯାହା ଆସୁଛି we call it as return on investment or it can be simply called as profit. If the business earns profit over the years again and again, accumulation of profit is called as nothing but wealth. Koithili in yesterday's class, I told you, right? So, let me tell you. So, what is business? Business is purely an economic activity. Any economic activity that is concerned with the production and distribution of goods and services from the place of production to the place of consumption on a regular basis with an intention of earning profit is called business. So what is business? Business is concerned with the production and distribution of goods and services from the place of production to the place of consumption on a regular basis with an intention of earning profit is called nothing but business. Services from where? From the place of production. From the place of production to the place of consumption. From the place of production to the place of consumption on a regular basis with an intention of making profit and also involves an element of risk So children, please focus on what is being written on the board. So what is business? Business is what? Purely an economic activity. We all know why. What is written on business? Profit. Written in profession? Fees. Written in employment? Salary. Business is carried out for earning profit. In profession, services are rendered for earning fees. In employment, an employee works for earning a certain amount of salary. So, business re jaha paiba ame taku kahiba profit. Profession re jaha paiba taku kahiba fees. And employment re joda paiba taku kahiba salary. Right? Is that clear? So now please focus on what is been written on the board and I'll highlight each of the point and I'll explain. Ettiki bhitare you can trace out or find out the features of business. So what is our topic for discussion today? We are going to study today features of business. What are the main features of business? Right? So what? Business is purely an economic activity. We studied economic divided into three: business, profession and employment. So only economic activities form a part of business. Mane those transactions that does not involve any money does not form a part of business. It will not come under business. Only purely those transactions that involve movement of money, and purely matra economic activities come under business. So what is business? It is purely an economic activity. I hope you all are understanding. Are you able to understand? Shall we proceed? Next one. Business is concerned with what? Production. Production माने कौन कही उत्पादन करिबा. Production and distribution. Distribution माने कौन? Producer रु wholesaler, wholesaler रु retailer माने ताकु बांटिबा. जो उत्पादन हबार जिंसो को goods को we are distributing them in the market. Means what? We are selling. So business is concerned with production माने उत्पादन and distribution of what? Not only goods in way, but also services as well. एबे बैंक हमको कौन दूची? Service. Railway हमको कौन provide करची? Service. Right? They no doubt they are charging for the service. Service पे पैसा नोचती ता बदल रे हमको service दूचंती. So business is concerned with the production and distribution of not only goods, not only in the form of jinsu rupore hi nahi, but also services. Kotu kod jai? From the place of production, kotu place of production. Mane where are the goods produced? At the factory site. Kode utpadana hochi jinsu udago factory re. From the place of production to the place of consumption. So what is place of production? Place of production refers to the place where goods are produced. So where are goods produced? Obviously at the factory site. Place of production माने जिनसो जोड़ी उत्पादन होची. तो जिनसो कोड़े उत्पादन होची? फैक्ट्री रे. तो फैक्ट्री को हमें कहिबा माने जिनसो कोड़े तैयारी होची. That is called as place of production to the place of consumption. Consumption माने कौन? जोड़े ग्राहक किणुचंती. ग्राहक को हम इंग्लिश रे कौन कहिबा? What do we call them? We call them a consumer. Consumer माने ग्राहक. ग्राहक कौन करिबो? Consumer purchases. He consumes the product. He purchases. तो जोड़ किए किणुची? ग्राहक किणुची. Consumption कोडे from the site of production माने from the factory site goods are sold to the wholesaler. From the wholesaler in required quantities goods are sold to small retailers. So from where does the consumer purchase? ग्राहक कोटु किनिबो? Retailer रू. So that is called as place of consumption. बुझा पड़ला? बुझिला? कौन? And services from the place of production to the place of consumption. Place of production माने where goods are produced. जोड़े जिनसो उत्पादन होची. In simple it is nothing but goods are produced at the factory site. To the goods for where? To the place of consumption. So what is business doing? Business is concerned with the production and distribution. Mane what? Selling of what? Not only goods but also services. With the production and distribution of goods and services from where? From the place of production to the place of consumption. Mane you can understand like this. Place of production mein buji paribo. It refers to the place where goods are produced. तैयारी होची, उत्पादन होची, that is nothing but the factory side. To the place of consumption माने जोड़े ग्राहको किणुची. Could be a retailer outlet on a regular basis. जो को कामोडो वेले थरे करले ताकू बिजनेस कुआ जाए नहीं. To be a business, that activity should be carried out again and again repeatedly on a regular basis. For example, if you're selling your motorbike, okay, and you're earning some profit, you cannot call it a business because your you are selling your motorbike to somebody and you have made a profit, you have fetched a profit. तो पुराना गाड़ीटा बिकिकी तू लाभ पाइलु, बट तू सबले बिकुचु कि नाई, गाड़ीटा पड़ी थिला मु खाली रे काहेकि पड़ी थिबो, आकु बिकी देले जाहाले मिलिबो, जाहाले लाभ पाइबी, ताकु बिकिकी जो लाभ पाउचु ताकु बिजनेस कहि परिबा नाही, सेटा तू सब दिने करूचु कि रेगुलरली करूचु नाही, तेणु किरी आमे ताकु बिजनेस कहि परिबा नाही. इट इज ओनली अ वन टाइम एक्ट. थॉरटे करलु one time act, it cannot be called a one time act cannot be called a business. To be called a business, what is most important? It should be carried out on a regular basis, mane on a daily basis or at regular intervals. So another important point, what is that? Regular basis. को उद्देश्य रे business करूचु? With an intention of making profit or earning profit. आमे business को उपयोग करू to fetch profit, to make or to earn profit. लाभ पाइबा पय, लाभ उद्देश्य रे आमे जो कोनोसी भी कार्य करूचु इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी को, आमे ताकू business बोली कही पारिबा. And also involves an element of risk. In yesterday's class I told you, remember what is risk? Risk means uncertainty. Tahele what is uncertainty? Something that is uncertain. Anything that is uncertain is called uncertainty. Tahele uncertainty mane kono? Something that is not certain. Something that is not certain is called uncertainty. To make it more simpler, mane कुछ भी हो सकता है बिजनेस में. nobody can assure you, nobody can guarantee, okay, you start a business, you carry on a business, you run a business, you're sure to make a profit, you're definite to make a profit. Can anybody assure you? किए भी तुमको गारंटी दे परियो कि हाँ तू बिजनेस करे, तू व्यवसाय करे, बाध्य तोर लाभ ही हबो, लॉस ही हबोनी, मु अश्योर करूची, मु गारंटी दोची, के कहि परिबो? के कहि परिबानी. कुछ भी हो सकता है. it could be profit, it could be loss. तेणु किरी बिजनेस रे सदा बेले कौन थाए? रिस्क. एलिमेंट ऑफ रिस्क. रिस्क माने अनसर्टेनिटी. रिस्क is also called by another word called uncertainty. रिस्क पे हम आगोटे पद भी व्यवहार करि परिबा. कौन सेटा? अनसर्टेनिटी. अनसर्टेनिटी माने समथिंग दैट इज नॉट सर्टेन, माने कुछ भी हो सकता है. could be a profit or could be a loss. माने कौन? business is always surrounded by risk. element of risk. ताहले please notice all the points that have underlined or tick marked or circle. Each of this point is nothing but what are they? They are features of what? Business. So what did I underline? I underlined economic activity. The first feature of business, what? Business is an economic activity. Second, what? What is the second feature? Regular basis. This is the second feature. Third feature, what? Business is carried out for earning profit. Eta third feature. Fourth feature, what? It involves risk. Business re sada bele kona thai? Risk. This is the fourth feature. So you can, in the definition of business, you can clearly see or come across some of the important features, or we can also call them as characteristics of business. Business ro mukhya features gudaga ame dekhi pariba. What are they? Some of the common and the easy ones. Business is an economic activity, first feature. Then what? Business should be carried on a regular basis, second feature. Business is carried out for what? Earning profit, third feature. And business always involves what? Sada bele kona thai? Vyavasay re, risk. This is the fourth feature. So now I will erase this, I will clean the board, and I will write the features point wise. The same things will come again, and repeatedly I will explain them in detail. Bujuchi, shall we proceed? Shall we go ahead with our class? We can we can we can write the features of business under 7 heads or 7 categories. So features of business can be put under 7 points. Is that clear? So let me mention them on the board. Features of business. So what are they? The first feature of business is purely an economic activity. Business is purely an economic activity. Second one, business involves exchange of goods and services. It involves exchange of goods and services. Third point, business should be carried on a regular basis. Regular dealings. Fourth point, it has what? Profit motive. Business always has profit motive. Fifth point, element of risk. Element of risk. Then creation of utility. Creation of, I'll explain you the meaning of utility when I come to this point, children. I'll explain you what is the meaning of utility. Seventh point, consumer satisfaction. Consumer satisfaction. So what is business? Business, as you all know, is purely an economic activity. So what is business? Business is purely an economic activity, means only those activities or only those transactions that involve the movement of money or only monetary transactions come under business. So only activities that involve movement of money. Only those transactions that involve money form a part of business. Next point, exchange of goods and services. Exchange of goods or services for mutual benefit. So what? I told you, remember, business does not only deal with goods or commodities, but also it deals with services. माने खाली जिनस रूपरे वस्तु रूपरे ही नुह सर्विस मध्य बिजनेस अंडर रे आसीबो. माने एक्सचेंज माने कोन? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड एक्सचेंज? Exchange means buying and selling. Exchange means buying and selling. So what? What is the second feature of business? Business involves exchange, means buying and selling of not only goods but also services. It involves exchange of goods and services, means buying and selling of goods and services. माने exchange माने किणा बिक्री. ओके, जणे किणुची आउ जणे बिकुची. जणटू मु किणली मु आउ जणकु बिकिली. मोटू जणे किणला से आउ जणकु बिकिला. So exchange, buying and selling is called as exchange. So what is the second feature of business? Business involves exchange, or we can also call it as buying and selling of goods and services. Not only goods, point to be noted, but also services for mutual benefit. Benefit means you all know, tame buझुचो, but what is the meaning of mutual? Mutual means parasparaku. Paraspara. परस्पर माने किए who are the two parties involved in a transaction? For a transaction to take place, there should be a buyer and a seller. जने buyer रोयाकु पड़िबो, जने seller रोयाकु पड़िबो. जने जिंसो बिकुथिबो, जने जिंसो किणुथिबो. For a transaction to occur or take place, there should be two parties, the buyer and the seller. Right? Because buying and selling of goods or exchange of goods takes place in business. So buying and selling. So mutual benefit माने जे बिकुची से लाभ पाइबार अछि आ जे किणुची से कोन नष्ट रे पड़िबो माने ताकू भी किछि लाभ मिलुची बोले से जिंस किनिबो माने परस्पर माने बायर को सेलर को दिजण को सम्मत हेकरी दिजण को लाभर उद्देश्य थिले ही से ट्रांजैक्शन टा हबो हेले तार मीनिंग हैला म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट. So what do you understand by mutual benefit, children? Mutual benefit means for any transaction to take place, it involves at least two parties. Who are those two parties? One is the buyer, the other one is the seller. Do you think the seller is going to sell if it does not fetch him any profit? लाभ नथिले से कोन बिकिबो ना. And will you think the purchaser or the buyer will buy the thing if it is not worth the price? Se टंकार मूल्य नथिले, if it is not worth the price, do you think the purchaser or the buyer is going to go for the product? No. What does this indicate? It indicates that both the parties are at benefit. The buyer should get a profit. The seller should also benefit from the purchase of the transaction. So both are at a gain or at a benefit is called as mutual benefit, right? So what is business? Business involves exchange, means buying and selling of goods and also services for mutual benefit. Third feature or characteristics of business. As I told you, regularity in dealings or regular dealings means any transaction to be called a business, it has to occur or take place at regular intervals or on a regular basis or on a daily basis. A one-time act cannot be called a business. माने कौन सी भी जिंसो तू थोरटे पे कर देलु तारु लाभ पाई गलु. No doubt you have earned profit. It has fetched you profit. But can you call it business? No. It cannot be called as business. Business कहया पई से कामोटा को आमे बारंबार repeatedly again and again over a period of time regular intervals रे regular basis रे ही गोटे कार्य को आमे करिबा ताकू आमे कहिबा business बोली कहि पारिबा. To be called a business, what is the important feature? The activity should be or the transaction should be carried out on a regular basis. Mane a one-time act, in simple, to put it in one sentence, a one-time act cannot be called a business. What is a one-time act? Let me explain. Mane मन करो मोर 10th सरीला. I have completed my class 10. से पुराना बही मते काम को नहीं, मते दरकार नहीं. My old books are of no use for me. So घरे गद्दे करी अलिया रखे अपेक्षा. So what do I prefer? It's better to sell those old books. मु बिकी देले हबो. घरे गहली कमिबो. जाहाले किछि टंका पाइबे मु बिकी देले हबो. तो पुराना बही उडागो you dispose them. से old books को तू बिकी देलु. ताटू तो किछि टंका मिलला कि तू किछि लाभ पाइलु. Can you call it a business? आमे ताकू business कहि परिबा कि? No. Not at any cost. आमे ताकू business कहि परिबा नाही. Is that your daily job? तू प्रतिदिन से काम को करचु कि नाही? घरे पड़िथिला अलिया गद्दा हैला से पुराना बही तो दरकार नै को कार्य को नै. It's of no use. It's just accumulating there. So you disposed, you sold them and you made a profit. But you did it only once. Is that your everyday business on a daily basis? No. So you cannot call it a business. But for suppose I am a old bookstore dealer. मोर कोण बेपार, मोर कोण व्यवसाय, मोर पुराना बही बिकिबार दुकान. I am an old bookstore dealer. पुराना बही बिकिबार मोर बेपार. Then what do I do? Every day I purchase those old books and I again resell them in the market. माने मु प्रतिदिन रेगुलरली ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस प्रति मुहूर्त एवरी डे मु कौन करबी पुराना बही किणुथिबी ताकू पुणी मार्केट रे मु बिकुथिबी काहेंगे बिकॉज माइन इज एन ओल्ड बुक स्टोर मो व्यवसाय पुराना बही बिकिबा if I do that then it can be called business because I do that activity on a regular basis every day, right? So that is the meaning of regular dealings. I hope you all understood. Now moving on to profit. Just like a human being cannot survive without food, दिने खाइबिनी दी दिन खाइबिनी दुर्बल लगे तापर झाउली पड़बी तापर उठी पारिबिनी राइट बट इफ आई डू नॉट ईट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड व्हाट विल हैपन आई विल डाई मरी जीबी ठीक से भाबरे जिमिति मनीष न खाइले बंची पारे नाही न खाइले रही पारबे नाही ठीक सेमिति अ बिजनेस कैनॉट एग्जिस्ट अ बिजनेस कैनॉट सर्वाइव a business cannot continue or run for a long period in the absence of profit. So profit is the most important essential thing for a business to continue successfully. Just like we need food to survive, in a similar way, a business requires profit to survive. Because okay 1 month there is no profit I can manage मासडे लाभ नहीं हो नुआ बेपार हब चलिबो टी आउ टिके जगी देखि अपेक्षा करी आउ टिके चेष्टा लगेबा लेट अस ट्राई मोर लेट अस वर्क हार्ड let us try more put in more effort but if the same situation continues a mass profit nahi next month भी profit nahi no profit no loss okay but continuous losses hele business cannot exist or survive in the market तेणुकिरी what is the conclusion गोटे बेपार को रहिबा पाई तिष्ठिया पाई to exist and survive in the market the most essential element is profit. So business is always profit oriented. It always aims at earning or making or fetching profit. प्रति business रो लक्ष्य हैला मु profit आदाय करिबी मु लाभ करिबी profit अर्जिबी. Is that clear? So just like in employment we get salary, in profession we get fees. So business is carried out for what? For earning profit or making profit. Earning profit. Why? Because a business cannot survive in the absence of profit. Cannot survive in the absence of profit. So is it clear? Can you see what is written on the board here? What? Because business, why profit is necessary? Every business aims at making or earning profit. Why? क्यों? Because a business cannot survive, माने exist, तिष्ठि पारबो नहीं in the absence of profit. Element of risk. Just like I told you in yesterday's class, once a baby is born, he is sure to die or expire sometime or the other. Right? माने मनीष थरे जन्म हेची माने से केबे ना केबे चाली जिबार सत्य जन्म होबार केतिकी सत्य मरिबार मध्य सेतिकिया सत्य सेटा केबे आसीबो के कहि परबो आजि हेई पारे काली हेई पारे नेक्स्ट वेरी नेक्स्ट मिनिट और नेक्स्ट मोमेंट आमे किए भी गारंटी दे परिबा नाही जिमिति हमर लाइफ स्पैन केते दिन पे जने जन्म हेची माने केते दिन पे आसी के कहि परबा नाही इन अ सिमिलर वे रिस्क माने अनसर्टेनिटी कुछ भी हो सकता है बिजनेस कैन मेक प्रॉफिट इट कैन अर्न लॉस कुछ भी हो सकता है किए भी अश्योर गारंटी नोबडी कैन अश्योर यू गारंटी यू लेखि दे पारियोनी तू बिजनेस करे मु गारंटी दोछ आई अश्योर यू तू प्रॉफिट करियो नोबडी कैन से दैट Nothing is certain. Anything can happen. Means what? What do you understand from this? This means that business is always surrounded by the element of risk, right? So now moving on to creation of utility. What is the meaning of utility, children? Have you ever come across this word? Agar kebe hele sunicho? Use. Utility mane use. So what does business do? Business creates utility. Utility mane, to make it more simpler to understand, right? We all use furniture at home. What is furniture? Furniture could be a bed, furniture could be a sofa, it could be a divan set or a dining table, whatever, or a study table. माने घरे आमे जो जिनसो व्यवहार करे, खट, सोफा, डाइनिंग टेबल, स्टडी टेबल, सबू को आमे कौन कहबा? फर्निचर. Furniture is made out of what? It is made out of wood. कोडारे तैयारी होची फर्निचर? काठरू. हेले गछ को हाणी की काठ को आणी काठ पर सोई पड़िया ना काठ पर बसी पड़िया, बसी पड़ले सोफा हे जो सोई पड़ले खटब नाही. से काठ को गोटे रूप, गोटे आकार दिया होची. रूप आकार means what? Form. FORM, form or shape. FORM, form माने कौन? Shape, right? So that also involves business. माने business कौन करुची? It is creating utility. Utility to what? Wood. Furniture कोडार तैयार होची wood रे, तो wood को से utility देला माने use देला. किमिति? Somebody is selling wood. जे काठ बिकिला से भी business करला, व्यवसाय करला. से काठ को जे किणी किरी कारपेंटर टा बढ़ेटा ताकू गोटे सोफा रो शेप, गोटे बेड रो शेप देला. फॉर्म माने आकार, राइट? एंड दे आर सेलिंग दैट बेड और सोफा. सो दैट इज आल्सो बिजनेस. काठ बिकिला, बेपार करला, जे सोफा की बेड ताकू बने की आकार रूप दे, फॉर्म माने शेप, आकार रूप दे बिकिला, से मध्य बिजनेस एका करला, राइट? माने कोन काठडा खालीडारे पड़ी थांदा, but that wood is put into a productive purpose for a productive cause. किछि कार्य पे काम को आसी केमिति? सोफा रूपरे, बेड रूपरे ताकू आमे गोटे कार्य को, गोटे शेप को आणुचु, राइट? So what? Business is creating utility. Utility माने use. खालीटारे काठ पड़ी थांदा, से काठ को गोटे रूप, गोटे शेप, गोटे आकार दे गोटे सोफा, गोटे खट तैयारी करी बिकिलु माने सेटा काम को लागिला, कार्य को आसिला. So it is creating. जे काठ बिकला भी बिजनेस करला, जे सोफा की बेड बिकिला से भी बिजनेस करला. So it is creating utility. So another feature of business is creation of utility. And the last one and the most important of all the points, that is consumer satisfaction. What is the last one and the most important one? That is consumer satisfaction. Consumer माने किए? ग्राहको. Okay, no doubt business is run to earn profit. सबु business रो लक्ष्य थाए to make profit, to earn profit. Profit motive, motive माने लक्ष्य. But the most important of all, profit रू भी मुख्य जिंस हैला consumer satisfaction. Consumer माने ग्राहक, satisfaction माने खुशी हबा, संतुष्ट हबा. So आजी का बोले तू ठकी गुटे जिंस बिकी देलु. Okay, you must have cheated on someone and you must have sold and you must have incurred some profit. You must have fetched or made some profit. आजी ठकामी रे गुटे जिंस बिकी देलु, लाभ पाइलु. But it अधिका दिन चलिबो कि? तो व्यवसाय अधिका दिन तिष्ठिबो कि? आजी न हेले काली तो जाली काम धरा पड़ जिवो. Yes or no? So you may cheat on the customers and you can earn a profit. Profit is a motive, no doubt, no issue. But more than that, most important is consumer satisfaction. आजी तो पाखु आसिला, से ठक्कर पड़ला जानला, द्वितीय थर तो पाखु से ग्राहक आसीबो, आउ फेरिबो नाही. The customer will not turn up again. He will not come to you again. He will not come up. So when will a customer come to you again and again? तो पाखु ग्राहक बारंबार आउथरे केबे आसीबो? जेते बोले तू तारो कॉन्फिडेंस को जितिबू. माने तारो when you will win his confidence, the customer will come to you again and again repeatedly only when you win his confidence. ता confidence को जितिले ही ग्राहक तो पाखु को आसीबो माने तार विश्वास को जितिले ही आसीबो नहिले आसीबो नाही तू विश्वास केबे जिति पारिबु हां मु ठीक जिंस पे ठीक दाम देली सही जिंस ठीक जिंस पे सही दाम देली माने a quality good at a reasonable price ग्राहक कंज्यूमर कौन चाहती they would expect a quality product at a expensive price not even a cheap price they will expect a reasonable fair price for a reasonable price a fair price or a genuine price हेले ग्राहक तो पाखु आसीबो ग्राहक केबे संतुष्ट हबो a good quality product at a fair or a genuine or a reasonable price हेले आसीबो सेतबेले से ग्राहक कंज्यूमर satisfy हेले संतुष्ट हेले he will come to you again and again तो पाखु बारंबार आसीबो if not if you make a profit by unfoul means माने अन्य रास्ता जाई कि तू जदि लाभ पाइबू आजि पय तू प्रॉफिट कर दबो अर्जी दबो सिना भविष्यत रे से तो पाखु आसीबो ग्राहक आसीबो नाही so the most important of all the features is consumer satisfaction so that's all for today's class children thank you for putting up with me please to bear up and above all I request you all to pay attention to the class what all just cut off from the world please to concentrate and pay attention please do like share subscribe the video जदि तुम मानकु भल लागुची तो प्लीज ए वीडियो को अन्य मानकु शेयर करो लाइक मारो शेयर करो और फॉरवर्ड करके सब्सक्राइब करो थैंक यू that's all for today very soon bye good day